That I dismissed. And it is not the first time for the Ugandan troops to be in South Sudan. So Ugandan troops, during the war, when we were fighting with the Khartoum government, they have been in South Sudan fighting the LRA, and we were fighting the LRA together with the Sudanese forces together. So it is not the first time for the Ugandan troops to be in South Sudan. And the claim by the rebel forces that Uganda troops have to get out first, no, it will not happen before that. They will get out according to our agreement with them, that the government of Uganda and the government of the Republic of South Sudan will agree to let their forces pull out. Even if they are said to be pulling out, they will not pull out from South Sudan. They may pull out from the front lines, so that they come and stay. They have been in Western Equatoria since 2005.